If you're getting the fail to accept family invite on Steam, here's a quick fix for it. Let's go. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have updated Steam. For this, all you have to do is close it and reopen it, as it is very important that you have the latest update of Steam running on your computer. And then after that, what you want to do is log in with the account of your friend. So if you don't have your friend's account on your PC, you're gonna have to go ahead and log in with it. Not with your account, but with your friend's account. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and log in with my friend's account here real quick. And then once you're in your friend's account, you wanna head over to settings, of course. And then here you wanna head over to family. And now here you want to create or join Steam family, and now you want to invite yourself from your friend's account. So go ahead and create the family. Then once you create the family, you want to invite a member, which in this case will be you. And then once you find your own account in here, go ahead and invite yourself. And then all you have to do now is switch accounts and log in with your account in your computer and accept the invitation. It is very important that the invitation is sent under the same internet connection. And by this, I mean that you guys are under the same Wi-Fi, okay? Something else you can do, of course, is have your friend come over to your house and do it in there under your own Wi-Fi, but that will complicate things if you're playing from far away. So pretty much all you guys have to do is logging into the same computer and use the same computer to invite yourself, and then go ahead and accept yourself. And there you guys have it. That's pretty much a workaround for that fail to accept family invite on Steam error that you might get. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.